Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
The gigantic Virat Purusa, known as Hiranmaya, lived for 1,000 celestial years on the water of the universe, and all the living entities lay with him. After the Lord entered each and every universe as the Garbhodakashayi Vishnu, half of the universe was filled with water. The cosmic manifestation of the planetary systems, outer space, etc., which are visible to us, is only one half of the complete universe. Before the manifestation takes place, and after the entrance of Vishnu within the universe, there is a period of 1,000 celestial years. All the living entities injected within the womb of the Mahatattva are divided in all universes with the incarnation of Garbhodakashayi Vishnu, and all of them lie down with the Lord until Brahma is born. Brahma is the first living being within the universe, and from him all other demigods and living creatures are born. Manu is the original father of mankind, and therefore in Sanskrit, mankind is called Manusya. Humanity in different bodily qualities is distributed throughout the various planetary systems.